Have you ever wondered why so many relationships seem to crumble despite the best of intentions? Why do some couples manage to weather the storm while others end up as just another statistic? In the world of relationships, just like in the news, we often hear more about the tragedies than the triumphs. Stories of separation, divorce, and failed remarriages are all too common. But among these tales of despair, there are also stories of hope and lifelong love. These are the narratives we strive to be part of, the tales we yearn to tell. How, then, can we avoid becoming another statistic? How can we ensure our relationship is one of the success stories? The solution lies in 3 simple strategies: imagining your relationship in the news, admitting when there's a problem, and seeking relational roadside assistance. Imagine if your relationship was in the news. Would it be a tragic tale of heartbreak or a heartwarming story of enduring love? This thought experiment can give you a new perspective on your relationship, helping you identify potential issues and areas for improvement. Next, admit when there's a problem. This can be a frightening step requiring both courage and patience. It's all too easy to live in denial, to believe that everything is fine when it's not. But just as acknowledging an addiction is the first step to overcoming it, recognizing issues in your relationship is the first step to resolving them. Finally, don't be afraid to seek relational roadside assistance. Just as regular maintenance can extend the life of your car, regular check-ins and professional support can help maintain the health of your relationship. Whether your relationship needs minor adjustments or major repairs, couples counseling can provide the assistance you need to get back on track. In conclusion, if you want your relationship to be a success story rather than a statistic, remember these 3 strategies. Visualize your relationship in the news, admit when there's a problem, and seek help when needed. These strategies may not guarantee a perfect relationship, but they can significantly increase your chances of success. After all, every great love story requires a little bit of work, a little bit of courage, and a whole lot of heart. Contact New Life Counselling at 403-690-8617 for a free 15-minute meet and greet.